Hey guys, you're gonna see me play one of the most horrible games. It just goes right through you. Is that even possible in real life? And look, we're not running the fuel. I mean, the chainsaw. Does that chainsaw even look like a chainsaw? And after killing someone, what's the... Oh, Rich, you went right through me. Oh no, stop going right through me. Okay, let's stop trying to chase her. Oh no, the fuel's going low and I never really use it. Oh wow. Oh wow, I wasn't even using it. Ah, get away from me. I mean, what's the point? And you know what gets me? The box. Now I'm gonna show you something really hilarious. Put aside your pastime. Get me. Stopping dots video would put a reference to an obviously the Massacre. Wait a minute. A video game? I mean, what if you never seen a show? That kind of cover thing doesn't change. You want lots of viewers put graphics on the box. They did. Point to it. Let's throw this box away. What the? Cool. There, the box is gone. You know what also gets me? The title. Let's... Oh wow, the Atari doesn't allow you to reset. Okay, the sequence gets me. Is the game title with the down or whatever. That's horrible. Select. Reset. Select. Okay, got me to a 2. Let me see. See that? That's the title sequence. That wouldn't that get annoying if you were to leave your tea and to make hot chocolate and that's all you hear. That's just horrible. What does it say down there? Wizard. What is Wizard? The company that made the game? What kind of person would like this? Especially the fact that the guy doesn't look like a guy, doesn't even look like the guy on the box. People could go right through you, and your chainsaw doesn't even look like a chainsaw. I'm just gonna waste all the fuel on it. Oh look, running it only takes the fuel of it, but not running it still takes it. Oh cool. I hold the button, but it doesn't always stay on. It looks like it's just spinning around. And look, it takes you to level 2, filling up the fuel. You could just breeze through all the levels. Okay, let's just get past level 2. Oh wait, that's alive. No, that especially when I don't even look at the top. Oh wait, thing that shows up on the side is different. What kind of logic is that? Kitty. So what's the point? Let me just waste all my air. Cool. It looks like it's spinning. Okay, guys. It looks like, you know what I like to call him Middle Finger Man. Oh, cool. That's what happens. Where'd the guy go? Did he go up in the sky? He just disappeared. hate it. And this comes back up. What a horrible waste of time. I'm just playing this. Who uses a gun in nobody? I didn't read the video game. Even proxy to time. Not well to their box. Came on without letting us know what that is. I mean, video game. A wizard. That's just horrible. It's me don't stop being dot. Reference hack me. Even now, there with this update. Bam. Zoom out. Right now. That. What's that? Looks like lazy me. Zoom out. Seriously? Sir? Looks a bit like Pac-Man in the background. It looks like trying to eat a taco. Or a water whopper. Is that call it? That's not. This is Massacre. Game song.